This is vertical single brick stitch. This is a wonderful stitch to add texture to a small area on your canvas, as the pattern of the stitch has a very small repeat. This pattern is made up of vertical straight stitches over 2 canvas threads. Stagger the stitches so they alternate up and down by 1 canvas thread horizontally. Try using this stitch on clothing. It also makes a great stitch for sky. You can refer to this stitch diagram for more information. You can see a stitched example of horizontal single brick stitch on this ornament. To learn more about this stitch and others like it, consider taking our Perfectly Tailored Stitches online class, which teaches all about how to stitch clothing.